Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue, replacing the steering wheel controls on your Lexus RX350. Maybe your buttons are worn out, or some functions just aren't working anymore. Don't worry, this job is totally manageable, and I'll walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, safety is crucial. You must disconnect your car's battery. Go to the engine bay and use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal. Remove the cable and tuck it away so it cannot accidentally reconnect. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes after disconnecting the battery. This allows the airbag system to fully power down. This is very important. Next, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and possibly a plastic trim removal tool. These are typically all you need for this repair. Now, let's remove the airbag. Look on the sides or the back of your steering wheel. You will find small access holes. Inside these holes, there are screws or clips holding the airbag in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully loosen or release them. Some models have Torx screws, so be prepared for that. Once the airbag feels loose, gently pull it away from the steering wheel. Be very careful. Do not pull too hard. You will see electrical connectors on the back of the airbag. There are usually 2 or 3. Carefully disconnect these connectors by pressing the small tabs and pulling them straight out. Once disconnected, set the airbag aside in a safe place, face up. Never place it face down. With the airbag removed, you now have access to the steering wheel trim and the control units. Look at the plastic trim surrounding your existing controls. It might be held in place by small screws or plastic clips. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove any visible screws. If it's clipped, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the trim piece away. Be patient and work slowly to avoid breaking any plastic tabs. Once the trim is off, you will see the actual control units. They are usually held in place by 2 or 3 small Phillips head screws. Remove these screws. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old control unit. It's usually a small plug. Now, you can remove the old, faulty control unit. Take your new steering wheel control unit. Connect its electrical plug, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Position the new control unit into its slot and secure it with the small screws you just removed. Make sure it's snug and doesn't wiggle. Reattach the steering wheel trim piece. Line up the clips or screw holes and press it back into place, or reinsert the screws. Now, we need to reinstall the airbag. Carefully reconnect the electrical connectors to the back of the airbag module. Make sure they are fully seated. Gently push the airbag back into its original position on the steering wheel. Retighten the screws or re-engage the clips that hold the airbag in place on the sides or back of the steering wheel. Double-check everything to ensure it's secure. Finally, go back to your car's battery. Reconnect the negative terminal and tighten it securely with your wrench. Start your car and test all the new steering wheel controls. Check the volume, track skip, phone buttons, and cruise control functions. Everything should be working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful automotive DIY guides.